Good morning, it's Debbie here from Fatfueled at 50. I wanted to show you guys my lunch for today, or my break fast. This afternoon, in the middle of my work day, I am going to break my fast with 3 hard-boiled eggs and a tablespoon of Chipotle mayonnaise from Primal Kitchen. And I also broke up this meat stick that I get from Costco. In case I'm hungry, I'll probably eat the whole thing throughout the break fast between 2 p.m. I start off my morning this morning with a tall cup of coffee, and I put in 1 teaspoon of gelatin, Great Lakes gelatin. That gives me a little bit of protein but very low fat in the morning because I'm already fat adapted. So that's how I started my morning, and of course I use a couple of drops of stevia. I just wanted to say have a great day. Yeah, so that's all. I'm going to try to YouTube every day and kind of explain how I do my keto / carnivore